Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Little Rock local and long distance movers near me. Family bonding is very important because it brings togetherness and love amongst the family members. Choosing to relocate closer to our relatives is the best decision. To relocate our loved ones needs proper and prior planning. Choosing the best company that offers relocation services is even more encouraging and fun. 3 Movers is offering relocation services here in Little Rock at very affordable rates, giving the best. We are giving quality services to our esteemed customers. Long distance moving involves movement of items from a specified area to a newly specified area across state boundaries. This kind of movement is usually miles and miles and takes a lot of time. To effectively relocate across state borders, one needs proper planning and a good relocation company to offer the relocation services. 3 Movers is here in Little Rock offering quality and reliable relocation services. They have the best trucks that are fit to travel long distances when offering long distance relocation services. Contact us on 888-202-0036 to get our affordable long distance moving rates at any time. Local moving is very simple and requires little time and less effort to accomplish, as it is simply movement of items from one place to another within the same geographical area or state. This only requires proper supervision and speed when doing the relocation. 3 Movers is offering relocation services, which also includes local moving, giving the very best to the clients. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Little Rock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.